Welcome to Wander Innsbrook Lakeside, where modern design meets cozy cabin vibes in the woods of Missouri. My name's Nikki, and today I'll be showing you around this 5-bedroom luxurious retreat that comfortably sleeps up to 16 guests, with 4 bathrooms, a hot tub, 2 balcony spaces, a fireplace and 2 fire pits, and so much more. This home has been designed for reconnecting with nature and spending quality time with your loved ones. And that's not all. Your stay here also gives you access to Innsbrook Resort, where you can enjoy a community pool, tennis courts, a golf course, and so much more. Are you ready? Let's head inside. This living room is the heart of your stay, with soaring ceilings and expansive floor-to-ceiling windows and doors, really just flooding the space with natural light. Now over here we have this gorgeous stone wall fireplace with a nice sleek flat screen TV, really setting the tone for a cozy movie night in. Pour yourself a nice glass of wine, grab some hot chocolate, and sit back and relax on this expansive green couch with all your friends and family. Or better yet, sit over here, cozy up with a good book while you warm up by the fireplace. The warm brown and green tones of this space really allow you to feel immersed in nature, especially with the panoramic views of the forest outside. And what I love so much about this space is how you can easily enjoy that indoor-outdoor experience with 2 balconies on either side of your living room here. This balcony space truly serves as an extension of your living room, with a huge plush sectional sofa. Everyone can gather around the fire pit here. You have some extra seating over there for your morning coffee, and 2 gorgeous lounge chairs where you can soak up the sun and breathe in that fresh mountain air. You could sit here, watch the wildlife pass by. At night, take a look up at the beautiful starry sky. This patio space truly allows you to just feel so connected to nature. This kitchen is spacious, modern, and fully equipped with everything you could need to prepare your own delicious meals in here. I love how the dark cabinetry really starkly contrasts with the white polished countertops, creating a stylish yet functional feel in here. And speaking of functionality, we have this high-end coffee station here. You can brew up your coffee in the morning, take that out onto the balcony with some fresh air while you listen to the birds. Now, I really love how this open concept layout allows for easy socializing and connecting with your loved ones, because you could be over here in the kitchen preparing dinner and still feel connected to what's going on in the living room. You could even watch your favorite show while you cook, which is a plus. And now, if cooking doesn't seem like something you're really interested in doing while on vacation, Wander Concierge can recommend some of the best private chefs in the area to come into this beautiful kitchen and do all of that cooking here for you. Now, either way, you can enjoy those meals here at the spacious kitchen island with seating for 4, over here at this dining room table with seating for 10 people, or step on out onto the balcony where you will find a grill and an additional dining table with seating for 6, which is a great option if you're here with larger parties or you're just looking to dine al fresco. This primary bedroom is a spacious and relaxing haven. You have high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing so much natural light to just pour through here, and ensuring that the very first thing you see when you wake up in the morning is the beautiful scenery outside. In terms of design, I just want to point out how cool this black wall is here, really just framing the view here, almost making it feel like the view is a piece of art. Now at the center, we have this king-size bed, ensuring a very restful night of sleep with hotel-grade linens and the comfiest mattresses. I truly get some of the best sleep whenever I visit a Wander home. Finish the night off with a movie on your flat screen TV, and then wake up in the morning and step right on out to the deck for some fresh air. And as an added touch of convenience, we've gone ahead and placed wireless charging stations next to the beds. This is effortless luxury at its finest. The primary bathroom is where comfort and luxury come together effortlessly. We have this double vanity sink here, a cohesive style design bringing in what we saw from the kitchen here with the white polished countertops and dark cabinetry, plenty of storage for all of your essentials. We have this overhead glass lighting here illuminating the expansive mirror. Now this large walk-in shower is so gorgeous with the marble tiling. Every Wander bathroom has been carefully stocked with hand-picked amenities like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, ensuring that you only experience the best here at Wander. Of course, we also have the coziest Wander robes and slippers, plush towels after your shower. Now, honestly, one of the highlights of every Wander stay is just cozying up in my Wander robe by the fire after a long day of exploring. And as a final touch, we also have curated amenity kits here for your convenience because really, it's the little things that matter. There are 4 additional bedrooms in this home, so everyone can spread out and relax. 2 of those additional bedrooms can be found right here on this level, both featuring king-sized beds. We also have a washer and dryer for your convenience, so everyone can head on home with a suitcase full of clean clothes. Downstairs, you will find the 2 final bedrooms in this home, one with a cozy queen-sized bed and an ensuite bathroom, and the second over here is perfect for the kids or the young at heart. We have 2 queen over queen bunk beds here because you're never too old for a slumber party. Downstairs, you will find this secondary living room with a giant flat screen TV and 2 caramel colored couches perfectly positioned for socializing. You have another kitchen space here with a full-size refrigerator, another coffee maker here if you want to make a bigger pot of coffee for the whole group. You have bar seating for 4, so whether you are listening to music and whipping up some drinks with your friends or having a family game night over here, or even just cozying up with a book on this awesome swinging chair here, this room has endless possibilities for socializing and gathering. This could also be a great spot to get some work done down here. Wander properties have high-speed internet so that we can keep you connected. You could work from home, stream, stay on the internet all day long without any interruptions, inside and out. So that completes the interior of this beautiful home, but there are a few other amenities outside that are just gonna bring your stay to the next level. Starting with this patio here, right off of that secondary downstairs living room, you have a hot tub for a relaxing soak, especially nice during the winter months, so you could stay warm while enjoying the outdoors. We have these cute boho chic swings over here, a nice touch if you wanna hang out with your friends, but you don't want to get inside the hot tub. Moving past this covered hot tub area, we have an open air fire pit with 8 Adirondack chairs, perfect for a nice night. You want to make some s'mores, gather around the campfire, perfect for some real connection and lasting memories here. Wander Innsbrook Lakeside offers a one-of-a-kind experience as part of the exclusive Innsbrook Resort. Beyond the property line, you'll be able to enjoy high-end amenities such as a zero-entry pool with a lazy river, pickleball and tennis courts, golf courses, and so much more. There's even a playground for the little ones that they will love. Here you can enjoy hiking, horseback riding, paddle boarding, canoeing, kayaking. There are so many outdoor activities to choose from. In the summer, you can also enjoy a concert in the amphitheater or indulge in a delicious meal at the poolside eatery. Every day here can be jam-packed full of core memories because this is what luxury living should feel like. Enhance your family vacation with Wander by allowing us to provide some necessary children's items like cribs and high chairs, freeing up that precious space in your luggage for your travels. If you're wondering what the best way to get here is, the closest airport to Wander Innsbrook Lakeside is St. Louis Lampert International Airport, which is about 45 miles away, or an hour drive, give or take, depending on traffic and weather conditions. You can always Uber to get to the house, but we highly recommend renting a car for the duration of your stay so you can be free to explore the surrounding area. There is so much to see and do around here, so I know planning your trip can feel overwhelming at times, but we have you covered with a travel guide on tons of recommendations on things to do in the area. And if you ever need any additional help, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 Wander Concierge with questions or extra recommendations. At Wander, we believe life's special moments such as weddings or family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together, and our properties offer the perfect backdrop for those occasions. So whether you're planning a dream wedding, a bachelor or bachelorette trip, a milestone family reunion, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create unforgettable experiences. Visit wander.com/events to learn more about how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Thank you so much for joining us here at Wander Innsbrook Lakeside. We can't wait to welcome you. Now head to our travel guide next, where you can see all the amazing things there are to do around here, including access to 100 lakes. We'll see you soon.